This area used to be a tub, and now it needs to become a shower floor. In this bathroom remodel series, I will show you how to install a mud in the shower floor. Hey guys, my name is Andy. Welcome to Dedicated, and if you like this type of content, hit that subscribe button and let's begin. First, I filled the hole with broken tile and some tile cement. Next, I measured out the height of the drain because that will be my starting point. From there, the rule of thumb for shower slopes is usually half-inch drop every 12 inches. So I measured the requirement height for this slope and marked the walls around the entire floor base. I used these awesome markers that I bought on Amazon that wrote practically on any surface during this project. I'll have the links in the descriptions below if you're interested in getting one for yourself. Before you mix the mud, you will need an empty bucket, a bucket of water, a sponge, a margin trowel, and a mixer. I used Sakrete Sand mix for my mud. Start by filling about half a bucket of the sand mix and then slowly add water a little bit at a time. Repeat this until you get a consistency of a snowball. Basically, you want to make sure you can make a snowball to where it's not too wet, but it still sticks together and doesn't fall apart. Next, pour out the mixture on the shower floor. Use a margin trowel to help you spread it out around. Then use a towel trowel to compact the mixture as much as possible. Keep adding more mixture as you go along and try to level it out to match your line of the wall and the slope down to the drain. When you're getting closer to being done, use a small level to check your slope and fill the areas where it requires a bit more mud. Don't be afraid to add more and compact it as necessary. You can even lay out your tile to see if you like the slope that you're getting and make any necessary adjustments as needed. Let the mixture dry for about 24 hours and then it will be ready for waterproofing or tile if you did the waterproofing first. If you have some imperfections, don't worry too much about it. Mix some of your tile cement and add a skim coat to the areas that need it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more bathroom remodeling videos.